In this lecture, we're going to start building Lander, which is this page here. It's basically a landing page. We're going to put into practice everything we learned on the HTML and CSS previous lectures. I'm going to leave this page open and use it as a reference. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up our project structure. So here on the desktop, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to name it Lander. I'm going to double click on it. And I'm going to create two more folders. The first one is going to be the CSS folder. And the other one is going to be image folder. Okay. What we can do next is you can open brackets if you don't have it open. Come to the document, click on it and go to open folder. Navigate to desktop and find your folder, Lander here. Select folder. Ignore this message here. We're now going to create two more, well, the first two files, which is going to be an HTML and CSS. Right click anywhere in here and click new file. Name it index.html. And I'm going to create another file, which is going to be the CSS file. So right click just on the CSS folder here, new file. And this one I'm going to name it style.css. Okay. What we need to do next is that we need to download the images. Once you have downloaded them, you can just come to the image folder over here and just drag them in, and they should be visible over here on the brackets. Just refresh the page. I mean the file tree, and there they are. We have 5 images there. Okay, well that is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we're gonna start building our basic HTML structure.